I know RC very well. And all he said was the truth. Yes. And I was one of those villagers calling his wife a witch, not knowing we were wrong. Joe, he lied to you at some point.
Lied to me? How?
He didn't tell you what it took him to bring back his wife. Then let me tell you. Do you know he did a second wedding? As in, he gathered the whole villagers. Because that's the only way his wife could forgive him. At least people need to be around to, witness him begging his wife and kids. Well, I don't know what you're passing through, but I heard everything you discussed with ROC. Sir, I may be a young girl, but please, do not take my words for granted. I would advise you go back to your family. At least show them love and allow God to work for you. Please.
So how long will I wait for this miracle, this magic? How long? Okay, bottle, leave me alone.
Look at this one. Do you like this one?
Yes, I like it.
You like it too?
Yes.
Okay, let me show you another one. What about this?
What?
I know you like this. You like this too?
Yes.
So I'm saving this, right?
Yes.
All right.
Yes,
Yeah, okay, I know you like it.
My cutie! How are you? Grandma is fine and she sends her regards. You're welcome. Thank you.
How is Joa?
Ujunwa is fine. We get gist too.
Really?
Don't worry, let's go inside. I'll gist you.
I like gist. Come on, gist.
Okay. Even Uncle was around and he was insisting I bring Chioma to the village, that he will put her in their prestigious missionary school. Mama even wants Chioma to come too, but I don't know what to do. I'm confused.
Trisha, you shouldn't have let Mama know of this. The poor blind woman will be sleepless at night. I don't want this to be part of our worries.
Honestly, I don't know what to do.
It's okay. Trisha.
Yes.
How are we doing?
I'm fine. Thank you.
Congratulations.
On what?
Are you not coming out from the house?
No, I went to do little supply in the market. What happened?
Nothing. It's a good news. Just be happy.
Good news. I don't understand. What happened? Explain to me now.
Go home and see for yourself.
Okay, if you say so. Alright. Nothing else? Okay. Have a nice day.
It's okay then. My regards to your children, okay?
I will.
Welcome, madam.
Has it been long he left? Has he paid you your salary?
Oga, I never pay me. Come on, I never talk anything for salary.
Nenka! Chioma! Nenka! Where are you and the kids? Okay.
Wait a minute,
Oh, how are you?
What is going on here? Answer me. So you witches have turned my living room into your witch's coven? Eh? Is that it? No, don't talk when I'm talking. Did you marry me or I married you? Well, shut up! Shut up! Let it be the last time you'll be doing this in my sitting room. Last time! File out. I said file out! File out! File out!
Wait now, we are finding out. Wait.
I should wait.
Sorry, let's find out.
1, 2,
We are finding out.
I said file out!
Desmond,
Okay.
we are witches in the coven. Desmond, the day I will explode, you will see another side of me that day.
Excuse me.
Soonest, I will explode. Don't worry.
Bomb. Bomb. Explode now. Explode now. Explode now.
Soonest, you will see another side of me.
Soonest. Explode now. I want to see that side of you. Explode. Now what? Tell me whether I married you or you married me. Explode.
Why are you afraid? Desmond cannot lay his hands on my kids. If he tries it, I will burn down this house to ashes. Is he mad? Is it because I've been keeping quiet for him? So my children can no longer have fun in their father's house.
We are here and we'll see how all this will end. I don't know what is wrong with my brother. When you feel like it's coming down, it will just do the worst. And you, please stop crying because of him. Do you want the kids to lose hope? We actually came with the good news.
What's the good news?
Chioma came out third in the school quiz competition. And she won a prize of 200,000 naira.
Oh. My daughter won. Upon all the harassment this month I've been melting on this child, she still managed to come third. Desmond, my child, don't worry. My God will continue to bless you, okay? Congratulations.
tears. The money I want is for you.
I know. I know.
Christ, oh, Christ, oh, let the ground is sinking sand.
Oh, the ground is sinking sand. Everything will be fine. Everything will be fine.
Adamu, what is it? Adamu, I'm talking to you. What is it?
Hey. Well, hey, I dey for trouble. I big trouble. Ne Adamu a day inside. Kuma, I don't finish.
Adamu, talk to me now. What is it?
They talk and they answer them and they talk. That's a problem.
Has Oga not paid you your salary?
No be for salary matter. Oga don't pay for last month.
If Oga has paid you your salary, so what is the problem?
Well, lately, if I tell you one night suffer, my mouth and they do crack away. And the more I went to commit suicide. Well, and they kill myself for this place.
Adamu, please don't kill yourself, okay? Please. Okay, this is what will happen then. Let me take the children to school. When I come back, you tell me everything. Okay?
Don't die, please.
So well,
Adamu, I said come. Yes. Okay. Adamu, just calm down, okay?
If I let it, make it came there, I never came there. That's what I so cycle. Kill myself. Kill myself.
Adamu, talk to me. What is that thing that made you want to kill yourself?
Hey! Well, I went today, Yenzo today. If I die, well, later, no bury me for this place. Make I take me to some Masalachi. Let my brother, Muslim brother, I pray for some myself. Well, I went today.
Adamu, just calm down. You can talk to me. What is the problem? Eh? I can give you advice or something. Talk to me.
Hey, Naza advice go. If I don't like him for some my advice. Well, later, somebody Allah. The only advice I go give a demo, Yanzo. Tell a demo, make a demo, I die. I go die. She cannot go away.
It has not gotten to that now.
Well, like this one, I don't pass. I don't come out. Not to that.
Okay, just wait. I'm coming. Oh.
Yo, what? Yeah. Well, you come and talk about that solo. Well, late. I don't beg me. I don't beg me for that. Well, you I don't today. Well, come and talk about that solo. I went today. I went today. So where you Allah, and the way don't finish. Where you Allah, everybody don't finish and the way I finish. Where you Allah, and the way don't finish. Go away. My guess here when everything I don't finish. I don't kill anyone to finish when later.
Adamu,
Madam,
why do you want to die in my house?
when later, somebody Allah, go and look for another getaway. And not walk again.
Why?
Madam, and let make a day in the face of winner. That's a whole.
Adamu, please tell us what is the problem.
Hey, so madam, if I tell you enter madam, Up ego Adamu make a day. Wallahi Adamu ego day man cause kia when day. Adamu ego day.
Adamu, we are listening. Talk to us.
So, yeah. If I hear what I want to tell you, I don't go believe. A troubled person was chat to me. And so what's a better place in your area? I went to marry. Your area is a go marry Adamu. I tell the father, say my name is Adamu Barwana is going to Kawai. Come, I am the chief security officer from my Oga house. Come, I buy some quality. I buy some wine. I will worry and drink of my wine to money. And the way I don't come back and walk. So many times of my wife, I call it the way and say, Senator from Zakano. I don't carry the area where the way why you will that's when I don't go in the way. That's when they don't kill away first. Go area, you don't get to win it. There's a tongue which I said it all. I go carry my area. With them.
Wait, hold on. Is this why you called me out? I thought you had something important to talk about, Adamu. You're just some dumb ass.
How am I supposed to know? Adamu, this is the reason you wasted my time. I thought you said you have wives and children. So why do you want to kill yourself because of this particular woman?
This is how we play. I never understand it for someone. I never understand it for someone. Well, this is the area where I never talk. Well, if it's somebody, it's a slave, it's a slave. I get over one day, I get over one day. All of them, my wife, and they fat, and they fat. Go back and never chop this in your area. Kai, Senator, the Salvation Senator from Zakano State.
Adamu, you are mad.
Chop away. Hey, why you and let it away, don't kill it, they won't come and get away. Well, the quality of quality away when it, okay, but then they're far over there. Senator, because they won't and never go for.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. Welcome.
That my friend RC.
Yeah.
And the one I was sitting over there with
Yes.
the other day. Do you have his number?
I don't have his number. Do I have anything to do with him that warrants me having his number?
Well, you said you know him very well and you guys are from the same village, so I thought you would have his number.
I don't. And I hope there is no problem.
I just need to ask him for something very important.
Hey, that reminds me. Have you met up with your family like he said?
I don't want to answer such questions.
But do you know I can actually help you because of those kids? Do you know your life can turn around because of them? Like I said the other day, I heard everything you discussed with RC. And that Dikeh he mentioned is my brother.
Oh.
Mm-hmm. Yes. I'm just here because school is on holiday. And the owner of this bar is my cousin. Do you know I can actually talk to my brother to be giving you goods on credits and you'll be returning the money later?
Wait. Dikeh is your elder brother?
Mm-hmm.
Blood brother?
Yes. I'm his little sister. But first and foremost, you have to go back to your kids and cuddle them. Please. You see, I lost my parents at a very tender age. And I was so maltreated by an uncle until Dikeh started making money. The story you told about your kids the other day got me crying.
If truly you can talk to your brother, please help me talk to him. Please. I promise you I will never forget this. I'll forever remain grateful to you.
Alright, fine. I'll have to talk to him first. Then whatever that comes out of the discussion, I'll let you know. But please, you have to show some love to your kids. Please. And throw away this belief that your own child is a bad luck. Please. I'm always here. You can check on me tomorrow.
Thank you.
Alright, bye-bye.
just to pick you up. Chai, the boss had entered. It was a terrible experience.
Tell me.
I was feeling pressed.
Well done.
All right.
Thank you. Sorry, who ordered similar fries? Okay, you right. Okay, and you this. Thank you. This.
Right.
Should I keep this one?
Yeah, keep it.
All right. The glasses for the ladies. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you. You're welcome.
Hope you have restroom around you.
Yes, we do. Just let me know when you're pressed, okay?
I'm thinking about dry meat.
Hey, that one day. We have it. How many am I bringing?
Just bring 3.
3. Make it 5 now. So the ladies will take 2 today. We take 1.
No, let's just start on a low key first. Later on, we graduate.
Okay, no problem. Just give me a minute.
Mbakwa, I rushed to get firewood. The one left were finished. I didn't even know. So because when did you? The food will soon be ready. Hey, were you able to finish that weed at that left side?
Everything is done and dusted. Trust me.
Oh, thank you. I trust you now.
Uju, what about the clothes you promised me?
Oh, go inside. It's on top of the bed. I kept it there for you.
The clothes are beautiful. Thank you very much. Thank you. I have to be on my way now.
Oh, Cherry. What is the meaning of all this? You just came and you want to go back.
Wait, Uju. You know the only reason why I agreed to go to the farm with you was because of this clothes.
I know. But that is not the reason you shouldn't eat. You have to go inside, take your bait, relax, then get ready for the food now.
I'll bath when I get home.
Every time, get not in hurry.
But on a second thought, don't wait money, but we and me. I'll wait for the food.
You better wait though, all your choice.
Where's Mama?
I think she's at the back. Just check at that back.
You're trying. You're doing so well. Continue to read your books. If there's anything you don't understand or anything going on, always let me know. Do you understand?
Okay, Auntie. Auntie, you remember the hymn you taught me?
Yes.
It's working and God is answering my prayer.
Wow. So I noticed. You've been smiling at everybody today. So what happened? How did it happen?
I think my dad is coming too.
Oh, glory be to God.
God is good and he's really my solid rock.
I told you every other thing is a sinking sand. Continue to sing and pray to him, and God in his infinite mercy will perfect everything in his time.
Amen.
Now, one of the verses of the hymn goes like this. When he shall come with trumpet sound, oh, may I then in him be found, dressed in his righteousness alone, faultless to stand before the throne. Go! On Christ the solid rock I stand, all other ground is sinking sand. All other ground is sinking sand. Now listen, We must be righteous to stand before Christ when his trumpets shall sound. So, my dear child, do not keep grudges, but always tell God to help your daddy so his good seas over the years will be released. Do you understand? Now time to go.
Noticed it, but I didn't say anything. Because to me, I thought he actually made a mistake.
Are you serious?
Yes. You can ask Chioma. He responded with every zeal. When I saw it, I felt goose pimple. But at least for once, Chioma was happy.
But that won't stop me from taking Chioma to the village. After all, the term has ended. Please call Chioma for me.
Okay.
That's it. I'm just trying to pack it. The world will not laugh at me.
I understand.
For any good news?
Yes. My brother requested to see you first, and I told him everything.
That's not fair. Must you bring my problem out to the public?
But my brother is not public. I asked him to help someone I know. So for me to get his mind, I'll have to relate everything I know about you to him. And mind you, I don't know you before. So I'm just doing this because I want you to believe your child is not part of your problem. So get ready to go to Lagos. And I'll have to know your house and your family, because that's the first thing he asked me to do before you leave for Lagos.
Desmond, God just wants to use that little girl to help you. All you need to do is be humble and win the brother's trust. Maybe from there you pick up.
She insists on meeting my family. I don't want that.
Why?
I don't want her to go and see your man. Everything will just scatter. Chioma is bad luck. I don't want it. Everything I've been telling her, she's not listening to me. If she sees her...
Don't be stupid, Desmond. That you hate your daughter is not the reason of your failure. Do you want to throw away your daughter because someone who wants to help you is visiting your house?
I don't even know what is going on. Why is it that nobody wants to understand me? Why?
Because you are talking bunkum. Let her visit your house, and if she sees Chioma and change her mind, I will sell the empty plot of land I have and give you the whole money.
You promise?
You heard me right. And that should be all for now. I'm taking my leave. Desmond must seriously be sick upstairs. We shall find out how a young girl created by God in his own image be a problem from birth. Which school of thought taught him that?
Customer, good afternoon.
Amarachi, how are you doing?
I'm fine, no.
Are you going out?
No, really. I want to get a recharge card for my phone. I'm coming back now. I won't waste time.
Okay. Yeah. Do you have fish pepper soup?
Yes, we have it. Just give me 2 minutes and I'll be back, please.
All right.
I won't waste time.
Okay.
So this is what is bothering you. Well, me, I'm not changing my mind though. Because I'd already spoken to my brother and he demanded those things. So I have to know your house.
That means we'll leave it. Yes. As for going to my house, no way. I say no. Except I'll take my daughter somewhere else.
Well, I must see her. I must see her. By the way, how do you start having this nonsense belief?
I'll tell you how it happened. The day she was born, I was driving. I drove to a nearby supermarket to buy some provisions. I was so happy. So happy. Then I went straight to the hospital to see mother and child. Hello, baby. Hey! Are you serious? Thank God for a safe delivery. Thank you, thank God. How are you? Okay, how is the baby? Hey, yeah, I should have been there. You know, you sent me to go and buy something for you. I should have been there. Oh yeah, I'm coming right away. What do you want me to get for you? Okay, I'm coming right away. Hey, thank you, Jesus. Thank God. Wow, so I am now a father. Hey.
Baby. She looks like you.
Of course. She has no choice. Oh, congratulations. Thank you. Yeah, hello. Oh yes, my wife just gave birth. Jesus Christ. Seized. Wait. My goods. Seized. Hey!
Baby, what's wrong?
From that day till now, I've not gotten back on my feet financially. Till this moment I speak with you. Yes, Choma has grown, but traces of our bad luck is still in my family. I know how hard things have been for me. But each day I open my mouth and I explain to people. Nobody wants to understand how I feel. Understand?
see me as a special customer. And they call me, I be fool.
Was that why you called me a fool?
But man, make no pex. Nah, because of my wife, a leper demo, I go marry politician. Come a small girl like you, and not get a respect. Come I like money, like a plenty. But man, I'm making not a lot of the more I remember something, I go make a demo, they cry, man. But the more I want to cry, you man.
Don't cry, please. Every woman wants money and a person that will take care of her. Don't cry, eh?
Yes, careful.
You get money and you become allowed, you get small fine girls, eh? Umaya.
So God I go bless you.
Future will life.
God I go give you plenty also bad.
Future will life.
So put a 15 naira for me. Come on, you take a 15 naira.
Thank you.
I don't want to give it, they will take someone. Hey, yo, thank you. So I like it. You get off around there.
Maybe let her eat my own.
I don't put together for one now. Get it, it is it. Yo, thank you. Thank you very much. I never put to my own go.
I know, I'll eat it later.
Yo, make I give you some money. Take my money for it.
Thank you.
Why I never put to my own?
I'll come this
I want to sell and collect the money. You get like a money like so. Make I buy. Make I chop on my own. Yo, it's a well again. One night I like a money plenty. The grenade the demo I buy for them. I don't go shop them. I can sell them and put money for my pocket over there. Yo, where? It's a grenade to my neck. This guy like he don't cheat the demo now because it's small again. The demo I never talk. He just a buy him. He want that. Back home.
Thank you very much.
Make yourself. Okay, so what do I offer you?
Offer me those kids you call bad luck. The children you've been condemning. Let me see them.
You said you want to come and know my house. You've seen my house now. You know the place now. What are you doing with my children?
Sir, it's actually because of these children I called my brother and not because of you. Do I know you before? And why do you even talk as if they are the devil hovering around the planet? Eh? Why do you hate them so much? I think we should cancel everything if I'm not going to...
Wait. Go ahead, sit down. Let me call them.
Better.
Bad luck. Well destroyed. Obanje. Okay, so that's my wife, Trisha, and my cousin, Neka. Those are my children.
Wow. Fine girl. How are you?
Hey.
What's your name?
Uche.
Uche, what a beautiful name. Hello, how are you?
Good.
You're fine, right? What's your name?
Irene.
What?
Irene.
Irene. Irene is a lovely name too. Fine girls. You both are beautiful.
Thank you.
Oga, you told me you have 3 kids, so where is the other one?
Where is Joma?
I took her to the village to stay with Mama and Ujunwa, so you don't kill her for me.
Better.
What? Better, you said? God have mercy. Well, madam, my name is Amarachi, and I'm a student of Nnamdi Azikiwe University. I met your husband 2 weeks ago when he was telling a friend about his kids, especially the one he calls bad luck. And I felt so very bad about it. Sir, just take a good look at these beautiful kids you're tagging with bad luck. Take a look at them. It's okay, madam. I actually want my brother to help your husband, at least to be supplying him goods. And that's why I came to know where he stays and see the kids he has outrightly hated.
My dear, this is what I've been battling for years. If you check the body of these kids, you see marks, scars on their body. He flogs them with canes, he scolds them, he shouts at them, he slaps them, he bullies them. I had to take my first daughter, Chioma, to the village because he consistently threatened he would kill her for me. I had to save her life by taking her away.
It's well, mother. Everything will be fine, I hope so. Let's just pray he gets out of this his rubbish belief. I would like to see Chioma and talk to her. Maybe someone will take me there when I'm ready.
Good morning, my daughter. How are you?
I'm fine.
You're welcome.
Thank
Ujunwa, so you took this girl to the stream? How many times have I warned you not to be taking this girl to the stream?
Mama, she was crying that she must follow me. Besides, she like it now.
Yes, Grandma, I like it. I like going to the stream. I don't do it in our house.
You don't do it in your house?
Yes, Grandma.
You will be going to the stream when you are of age. But for now, no. Ujunwa, I will not warn you for the last. I will not warn you again, no. Go and give her food, because. Okay, Mama. I kept something for you. Meat beside my bed. I cooked it very soft. Give to Ujunwa. Eat it alone, oh? Good girl. God, I will see one day. With these my two eyes, then I will see my granddaughter. The gift that you gave to me, Satan did not want me to see her.
She is our blood. So we must do everything possible to help her and make her happy. Imagine a little girl like this, suffering all these things from her own father. Eh? Good enough she left that house. Because other things would have happened. For a man to treat a little girl like this, that way, it means if nothing is done, he will kill her. He will definitely kill her.
Now she's in the village now. How can she start school? And the school has not resumed.
Mama, the school is on long holiday. When the school open, we'll go for it. I think she has nothing to worry about.
Chioma, if you need anything, come to my house and collect it. Ada here is my daughter. And she is your sister too. If anybody disturbs you in the entire community, the person will have me to contend with.
Thank you, Uncle. God will bless all of you for me.
Bless you too. Amen.
Dalo. Thank you.
Hi.
Toma, what is it? Why are you keeping your face like that?
Are you hungry? What is it? Why are you keeping quiet? Carry on.
Do you want us to go home?
No.
Then what is it now?
You don't want me to follow you and walk.
You want to do what?
And you think you can do this? Okay, yeah?
Sister, I can't do it. It's not to remove the wig.
You can't do it. It's not to remove the wig.
No.
You can't
okay,
rub
you know what? Come and do it.
Come and do what?
Chelu, come go there. Come and do it.
I hate you. Why are you people laughing?
I don't have your time.
No, well, give me my hoe. The man laugh papa. Give me. Don't worry. Go and sit down. Go and sit down.
Okay. Oh yeah, give her. Please, give her. Don't hurt yourself. Don't hurt yourself. Leave her now. Leave her, please. Leave her.
Take it easy.
One thing I like about villages is it's always very serene. Like when you are here, you tend to forget about your problems. And I like the trees.
Really?
Because it's very comforting. It gives you this ventilation.
Yes,
Yeah.
I know. That's
Teacher Lizzie.
What is that?
my child. On Christ the solid rock I stand. All other ground is sinking sand. All other ground is sinking sand. God will fight for you.
Amen.
You shall triumph.
Amen.
You shall be great.
Amen.
You're a star.
Amen.
Now remember what I told you. That no matter how thunderous the rain may come with, it must surely stop. You're a blessed child.
Amen. Oh, Christ the solid rock I stand.
All other ground is sinking sand. All other ground is sinking sand. Rock I stand. All other ground is sinking sand. All other ground is sinking sand. Oh, Christ the solid rock I stand. All other ground is sinking sand. All other ground is sinking sand. Blessed, my child. You blessed.
Yes. I'm Archie's brother.
Yeah.
Hey, bro.
How are you?
Yeah, no wahala. Sorry, I was using the restroom.
No
so,
problem. Welcome.
Sorry
Welcome,
to keep you waiting.
Yeah, Amarachi told me a lot about you and your family. And she's a young, good woman with a good heart.
I noticed.
She likes children a lot. She told me your story. She came to your house.
Oh, yes.
So who owns the house?
My house. Yes, I built it when when things were still going well.
Anyway,
Before Moketie.
my brother, life is like a pendulum.